Are those fart noises?
Is your baby farting or pooping?
The baby pooping.
Baby's
Mama, turn on your diaper. Papa cat.
There's a
Oh,
dog down
now watch out for Skyline.
there. So that baby probably didn't make it.
Sad day.
Mommy, Mommy.
I'm gonna say that the baby's dead.
Hi.
That's a pretty good little drop for a child.
Super Luffy. Super Papa.
Probably, I'll bet your brother would just bounce. Because Bumbles bounce. That's nice. Where'd you learn that from?
Remind me when Lucy's 15 that she's not allowed to babysit children.
Ah. Let's see. And that's it. They're all gone. Oh, there's one. He's gonna throw the baby again.
I thought we weren't supposed to throw stuff from up there.
You again?
I have to change your diaper. Haven't I changed enough diapers in my day?
Nope. You again?
She's all clean.
We have to put a real diaper on her.
No, those cost money.
No, it's 10 diapers downstairs.
Oh,
Put a-
yeah, you have to
put
go
a used
downstairs and
one
get
on
one.
her.
Yeah.
It'd be
Oh, yeah,
realistic.
she comes with me.
Downstairs?
Yeah. The change the
Change for poopy diapers.
Yes,
Watch
in
out for the
Papa.
vacuum cleaner.